Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Gamerant account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamerant.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gamerant website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with using your email address and your password or by using your social account to log in. Once you are logged in, if you wish to delete your account, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on My Profile. Now within My Profile, you will see the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and click on it and you will be able to change various information about your profile. However, there is no direct option to delete your account. Now from this page, you will need to use the social accounts in order to get in touch with the support team. Click on any one of these, such as LinkedIn, and you will end up within the LinkedIn page for Gamerant. Within this page, click on the three dots alongside the follow button and then click on send a message. You will then be able to send a message to the support team and get in touch, letting them know that you wish to delete your account. Once you have sent this email, just wait for a few days and you will receive a response from the support team, within which you will find the instructions that you can follow if you wish to have your account deleted. Apart from this, there is no other option to delete your account on Gamerant. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about deleting your account on Gamerant. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.